Hello there, welcome to Vietsound channel. Today we're going to talk about the k sound. So are you ready? Let's get started. The k sound can occur at the beginning of the word, like in the word cơm, or at the middle of the word, like kiến, or at the end of the word, like cốc. Now let's see how to pronounce the k sound. First, back of the tongue presses up against the soft palate to stop the airflow, then lower the tongue to release it. Now let's talk about the mouth shape. Open your mouth slightly. Keep your lips relaxed. The last thing you have to remember about the k sound is that it's a voiceless sound, so you don't have to vibrate your vocal cords when saying the k sound. Okay, now let's try to say the sound. K, k, k. Cơm, kiến, cốc. Now I'm gonna talk a little bit about the two letters. The letter C in Vietnamese we call K, and the letter K in Vietnamese it is K. I'm gonna explain the difference between these two letters. These two letters are pronounced exactly the same, but they are different in orthography. Okay, so we know that in Vietnamese we have 12 vowels like a, o, u, i, e. So the letter C is followed by vowels like a, o, u. For example, we have some words here: cam, cắn, cân, con, cổng, cơm, cũng, cướp, etc. And the letter K is followed by others vowels like e, e. For example, we have kim, cam, kể, ký. So if you write the word like kim, cam, kể, ký by the letter C, so it's gonna be a mistake. Or if you write a word like cam, cắn, cân, and many more with the letter K, it's gonna be also a mistake. It's not really complicated, so I hope you guys understand it and you don't forget it. Now let's try to say some words with the k sound. First, the k at the beginning of the word. I'm gonna say each word, then it will have a few seconds to copy exactly how I pronounce the word. Okay, the first word is ca, cá, cáo, cam, câm, cấm, cát, cắt, cơm, cổng, ký, kem, kém, kèn, kiến, kiếm, kể, kéo, kẹo, con cá, củng cố, con kiến, con kênh, kỹ càng, kiếm cơm, kính cẩn, kiểm kê. I'm gonna talk a bit about the k sound when it occurs at the end of a word. When the k sound follows by vowels like o, o, u, then you have to close your lips at the end of a word with a slight puff of air inside your mouth. And your cheeks are quite a bit puffy, like học, up, up. And when the k sound follows the other vowels like a, wo, wa, or many more, then you have to open your mouth at the end of word like bác, bắc, gấc, thuốc. Now let's try to say some words with the k sound at the end of word. First, close your mouth at the end of word with a slight puff of air inside your mouth. The first word is úc, cúc, phúc, ốc, cóc, học, ốc, đọc. Now open your mouth at the end of word. Ác, thác, mặc, gấc, nấc, lược, được, ruốc, thuốc, điếc, lác đác, thắc mắc, nọc độc. Now let's try to say some sentences with many of the k sound. I'm going to do it in 3 steps. On the first step, I'm going to say the sentence very slowly. Then I'm going to do it a little bit faster. And on the last step, I'm going to say the sentence with normal speed. Okay. Cô, Kim, có, con, công. Now a little bit faster. Cô Kim, có, con công. Now with normal speed. Cô Kim có con công. Con cún của cảnh cắn con cá. Now a little bit faster. Con cún của cảnh cắn con cá. Now with normal speed. Con cún của cảnh cắn con cá. Con kiến kiện củ khoai. A little bit faster. Con kiến kiện củ khoai. Now with normal speed. Con kiến kiện củ khoai. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to bring a smile into my face, you can support me by the link in the description. Thank you for watching.